Efren, kanyang edad 81 anyos nang mamatay. Kaya hanggat maaga, magpakita ng magandang halimbawa sa ating sariling mga anak kung paano mamahalin, tatatuhin, paglilingkuran, yayakap-yakapin ang kanilang mga lolo't lola. Para pagtanda natin, tayo mga magulang nila, may natutuwa sa ating magandang halimbawa para tayo alagaan din.
I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill, threw the day old tea from the cup.
Si Mang Efren, ang aming first boyfriend ng tatlo kong kapatid, 4 kami. Aking frenemy, siya din ang hero namin. Isang mabait, mapagmahal na anak. Sobra-sobrang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang ina na hanggang sa dulo gusto niya itong makasama. Si Efren ang pinakamahusay at maalaga na magulang na kayang ibigay ang buong mundo para sa 4 niyang prinsesa at reyna. My Papa was a man of incredible strength and a deep, unwavering love for his family. He taught me so much, and his influence shaped me into the person I am.
So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Papa Efren, mamimiss kita ng sobra-sobra. Hindi ko alam ang magiging buhay ko pag wala ka, pero kakayanin namin. Ang hirap-hirap, ang sakit-sakit, pero tatanggapin namin ng maluwag upang ikaw'y makatuloy sa ating paraiso. Gabayan mo kami at patatagin pa sa 3 days na mas pinahirapan tayo. Pinakita mo sa akin na ang tapang ko ay nagmahal sa'yo. Ang huling lunok at hinga mo, ang pinakamasakit kong nakita sa talang buhay ko. Lahat ng paghihirap mo ay nakita sa ramdaman niya. Naway ka pa yan ang mapagkaano sa aming nararamdaman. Para tulad na pinupuno ko sa iyo. Na kami na ang bahala kay Mama. Mas makakasama pa namin ng matagal si Mama. Palakasin at bantayan mo kami palagi. Maraming salamat sa pagtiyaga mo sa akin.
I should have asked him how to be a better person as a panganay, how to handle my siblings, and how to be a better child to my parents. This could have been our bond. Although I may have missed the chance to ask him about life, pero sa mga action niya, in his actions, he already answered that question for me.
Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, He said
Hindi siya
hallelujah,
nagkulang
you're home.
sa pagmamahal na ibinigay niya sa mga anak, apo, kapatid, and everyone he crossed paths with. He didn't just teach us what unconditional love was. He made us feel it every single day, equally and consistently. He was the anchor of our family, and for that, we can all agree, he was the best person, he was the best grandfather anyone could have ever asked for.
A great big bang and dinosaurs, fiery rain and meteors. It all ends unfortunately, but you're gonna live forever in me. I guarantee it's just meant to be.
Wala po akong masasabi na negative
bilang panganay, nagampanan niya lahat sa amin. Kahit tapos siya may pamilya na, nagsisiman siya, pag umuwi siya, hindi po siya nag-invest na umuwi. At higit po sa lahat, ako po ang pinakamaraming tulong na naibigay ng aming kapatid sa akin. Siya po ang nagdala sa akin. Kaya ko po na-experience na matirahan sa Amerika dahil po sa kanya.
And when the pastor asks the pews for reasons he can't marry you, I'll keep my word and my seed. But you're gonna live forever.
Mamimiss namin yung mga alaala mo, lalo na yung fried rice na luto mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin pa, gabayan mo kami dito.
Yes, pa, we want to say thank you for everything that you've imparted with us. Gagamitin namin yun to be a better person every day.
Papa, thank you lagi sa sa pagtanggol sa akin lagi, pagpapagalitan ako ni Mama. Tapos, nung nagka-dengue ako, lagi mo ako dinadala ng tawa-tawa. Para lang gumaling ako, papakuha mo ako. Thank you, Papa. We love you.
No more pain, Papa. I hope na masaya at mapayapa ka na dyan. And of course, I will miss my ka-birthday buddy. I will miss spending our birthday together with you. And I love and miss you.
Even though hindi ko naabutan yung fried rice and yung mga na-experience nila, still naabutan ko pa rin yung pang-aasar mo sa akin and pag hinahatak mo ako kasi kinukulit mo ako, and I really appreciate na, naabutan pa rin kita in general, and I really love you and I will miss you.
Hi, Papa! I'm very blessed and happy to have you as my love. And ito naman is message from Crisanto Beltran, ang aming tatay. So, Papa Efren was a caring, loving, and very supportive father-in-law. He was indeed a great father that nobody who has met him could deny. Despite his son-in-law's shortcomings, he never distanced himself or mistreated me, but instead, he showed care and understanding, and I am fortunate to be this great father's son-in-law. We miss you, Papa!